Hi everybody, it's Chris Loblaw for the Best Buy blog, and today I'm reviewing the Kensington H3000 Bluetooth over-ear headset. A link to the headset and to the full text of the review is in the comments below. The Kensington H3000 is a headset designed for wireless connectivity and for productivity above everything else. It's really well suited for your office environment or your home office or on the go, but it also serves admirably as your multimedia listening device. It has a boom microphone that will allow you to, of course, take calls and do teleconferencing. Comes with a hard case to keep it protected when you're not using it. Within the case, you get the headset. You can see how it easily folds up and fits in. You also get the USB-C cable and an adapter for the USB-C to USB-B in case you need to recharge using an older USB port. The Bluetooth connectivity is Bluetooth 5.2, which is notable because it's multi-point Bluetooth, and it can be paired with 8 devices simultaneously, though only 2 are active. So you can switch between 2 active ones very quickly. So if you have multi-devices, this becomes very handy to have that. The USB-C cable is how you can rapidly recharge the internal battery. After about 15 minutes of recharge on a USB-C, you'll have about 8 hours of power, so it's very quick. And of course, as I mentioned, the adapter that comes with it is so that if you have a USB 2 port is the only one that you have available for recharging, you can do it that way. It'll recharge a little bit more slowly, but it will recharge. The microphone arm is fully articulated, can move around. When it's up, completely upright, it automatically mutes your call. So that's a very handy feature, and it does rotate around 270 degrees so that if you prefer to have the boom mic to the left of your mouth versus the right or vice versa, you can do it as you see fit, whatever makes you the most comfortable, which is a nice feature there. You can see the soft padded ear cups as well, part of the comfort. A feature of the headset is that you can denote to other people that you are busy. By double clicking the button, it turns on the busy light, which will continue flashing while you're busy, and then you hold the button to turn the busy light off, so that assists you that way. In general, the Kensington H3000 Bluetooth over-ear headset is very high quality, very comfortable, and very functional. So it's a very good fit for your home office and for your music listening needs and anything else you have. This is Chris Loblaw for the Best Buy blog. Thank you for watching. Links to the review and the product are down below. I'll see you next time.